Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Watch Dogs game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the audio language for the game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Watch Dogs game on your device and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off from the main menu. Now, while you are playing your game, if you wish to change the audio language, then you can look for these settings within the pause menu by pressing escape. However, inside options, you can find audio and language, but the option to choose them is not available within the game. In order to change this, you will need to quit into the main menu. So go back to the main menu from the pause options and then go into options. Now if you go into audio and language, you will see both the spoken as well as written language option. In order to change the audio language, just use the left and right arrows within the spoken language to choose from the various different languages that are available. Once you have found your desired language, click on the apply button and it will be applied to your game right away. You can then continue to play your game with your chosen audio language settings applied. And if you wish to once again change it in the future, you will need to go back into the main menu. And then from options and the audio and language feature, you can choose your desired spoken language. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the audio language on the Watch Dogs game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.